First, we'll test.
What am I supposed to do with that?
You're gonna play Russian roulette, asshole.
What if I just shoot you instead?
That would be the last thing you do.
The reason they can't stand the truth, cause they all drop. Ay. Fuck what they think, cause I promise I won't stop. Ay. The wolf that is climbing the hills already on top.
Good. You got that out of the way.
Break from the underworld, coming from the underground. Motherfuckers better watch out for the male hound. I never been the motherfucking gang that you all down.
Prove your point.